Great advice on how to invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a faraway dream for some, because they are not sure how to get started. However, anyone who is invested in the stock market has had to learn. Here are just a few of the smart investing tips that anyone can use in order to have success with investments. Pay attention to cycles and wait for the bull market to emerge. You must be ready to pounce when things are on the upswing. If you do your homework, you will learn to recognize when a bear market is about to do an about face and head in the other direction. Don't let greed or impatience control your decisions when it comes to investing in the stock market. Buying low and selling high is a common tip because it makes sense to buy a stock when there's a higher chance that it will rise in price, even if you have to wait for a while. Many people who are just starting with stock market investments purchase mutual funds. Mutual funds are usually low-risk investments due to their diversification. The beauty of mutual funds is that you obtain a nice range of stocks, and you have a professional who is conducting all the research on the different companies in your investment portfolio. It may seem counterintuitive, but the best time to buy your investments is when they have fallen in value. Buy low/sell high is not a worn-out adage. It is the way to success and prosperity. Do your due diligence to find sound investment candidates, but don't let fear keep you from buying when the market is down. Everyone with investments has had to learn how to invest wisely. They had to start from the beginning and learn as they went along. Therefore, if you are a new investor, you can feel confident that you can learn, as well. You can apply the tips in this video and soon, investments will begin to show the kinds of results you are looking for. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.